Taking a look at today's energy markets, let's look at natural gas futures as they're experiencing some heavy selling pressure today. Natural gas futures continue to staircase lower, and with today's levels, we are seeing the futures market down about 7% currently at the 3.02 level. And at these levels, this would be a new closing low going back to the middle of December, so basically the lowest levels for 2025 as we are taking out those end of January levels in today's price action. Now, looking at the driving factors, a couple things influencing the market today. Number one, temperature forecast, shifting forecast over the weekend. That has been a theme the last couple of weeks, and it continued this weekend as we continue to see forecasts for the lower 48 states over the next 7 to 14 days maintain a moderate to a little bit higher levels, and therefore reducing the expectation for demand moving forward. Couple that with output production continuing to amp up or is showing signs of increasing over the last few weeks, and therefore you're getting that kind of traditional push-pull mechanism, lower demand, higher output or production, and that's leading to some continued selling pressure here in the natural gas space today. Now, looking at the general trends, after reaching some of the highest level in the last couple of years, I believe in the middle of March, natural gas has really been staircasing lower here for the better part of the last 6 weeks. And today's levels are the lowest levels for 2025, and basically we're looking at 5-month lows here today in natural gas futures prices. But when you look at the energy space as a whole, there's selling pressure across the board today. We're seeing lower prices pretty much across the board in WTI, RBOB, and heating oil. Now, the interesting thing is WTI was coming off a 2-week high in the previous session before the selling pressure today, pushing it down around 62.75 today, down about 2% on the day. But selling pressure across the board, natural gas experiencing the heaviest selling pressure in the energy quadrant today and continuing to maintain these low levels going back over the last 5 months.